Today, we're going to open the GeekGear Wizardry monthly subscription box for September 2019. Okay, so as I said, this is the GeekGear box for September 2019. For those of you who have opened with me before, welcome back. For those of you that are new to the channel, welcome. And just so you know, this is a monthly subscription box, and if there's house-related items in here, they will be Ravenclaw. So let's go ahead and get into the box. Ooh, okay, so we have our shirt right on the top. So there's almost always a shirt or other type of wearable in these boxes. They're really nice quality shirts. They have good printing, and they hold up really well. Ooh, I really like this one. It's got the Thestrals in the foreground here, and then it has Harry and a centaur, and then the Hogwarts in the background and the Dark Forest. I really like this one. It's good colors. It would have been cool if it was in blues and grays too, but yeah, this is neat, and I like how they silhouetted it with the black, but I love the little Thestrals up here. Super cute. Okay, so let's move on. Looks like we got another educational decree. Okay, so it looks like we got educational decree number 27. Any student found in possession of the magazine The Quibbler will be expelled. That's awesome. I would love to do a whole wall of these. I may once we get all of them. But yeah, they're really nice. They're printed on a really nice thick quality paper. And yeah, I really like these proclamations, so they can keep them coming. Okay, looks like we have some jewelry here on the top. And it looks like it might be an owl with a little owl post letter. So let's go ahead and open this. Yeah, okay, so it's got a little envelope, and I think this opens. Okay, so it doesn't open, but it's a cute little letter. I kind of wish it would have had, like, you know, Harry Potter, Cupboard Under the Stairs, 4 Privet Drive, something like that on the back, and would have had just the seal on the front. But the little owl's cute. It's a little big. I may end up making this an ornament on my tree, but yeah, this is cute. We got a little box. Let's see. Ooh. I think it might be a bracelet, maybe. Okay, so we got a little silver bracelet with a feather charm on it. And it's stretchy, but I'm a little nervous that if I try to put it on my wrist... Let's see. Oh, I guess it's okay. Yeah, not bad. I may give this to my niece. I feel like she may like this more than me. But yeah, that's not bad. Okay. Not my favorite piece we've ever gotten, but it's not bad. Ooh, this is heavy. What is this? Oh, it says unicorn blood, so it looks like we might have gotten a potion, but this does not feel like it's just glitter. This is heavier, so maybe they actually did a potion. Oh. That's interesting. So it's blue, and it says the unicorn blood on there on the label. I wonder if this glows in the dark. Interesting. This looks close to my, like, swooping evil color that we did, the glue in the dark. But this isn't what I would associate with unicorn blood. But the bottle's a nice size. The label's not bad. Yeah, so we'll see if this glows after we get done unboxing everything. And we have our tea. Ooh, okay, we have first year at school tea. So this has got apple pieces, rosehip peels, hibiscus flowers, coconut chips, orange peel, strawberry pieces, rose petals, and flavoring. So, yeah, let's open this up and see what this smells like. Okay, so this is really pretty. I'm going to see if I can try to get you guys to see. It's a chunkier tea. It's got, like, bigger pieces of the fruit in there. And it smells really, really fruity. It smells nice. And it's almost got, like, a underlying, like, vanilla smell to it. So yeah, I'll be curious to see how this one tastes, and I think I'm planning on doing the tea tasting in November, so look for that, and we will definitely give this one a try And they're calling this one Strawberry Cheesecake. Okay, so yeah, this has definitely got like a vanilla-y undertone, so maybe that's the cheesecake that they're going for, but it smells really good, so yeah, be interested to see how that is. Oh, I don't know if this is another wearable. Oh, I think it's a bag. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's cool. So it's got all 4 of the house animals on there, and then it's got Hogwarts in the middle, and then it says wisdom, loyalty, ambition, and courage. So that's cool. And it's plain on the back. Yeah, it's not a huge bag. It's nice. Nice one to take to like a farmer's market or something, or the grocery store. Cool. Oh, we got a little scratch off card. Oop, and they stuck it to that. Okay, let's see what I get. And we got no win, better luck next time. So, okay. Moving on. Okay, that's the cheat sheet, so we'll save that. Oh, you guys know I'm not a huge fan of these pastel-y prints. I'm just not a pink girl. But I know that these would be really cute for some people. They're just not my style. Love leaves its own mark. So that's cool. I like the design. I'm not a huge fan of the pink and purple when it comes to some of these prints. Yeah, but I will definitely gift this or do a giveaway for you guys. So, okay, let's go into the cheat sheet here. Okay, so for September 2019, we have the exclusive Creatures t-shirt. We have the licensed and exclusive Love Leaves Its Own Mark print. Okay, so that is licensed by Warner Brothers. I'm just not a huge fan of the pink. Exclusive Wizardry owl necklace, the Wizardry metal bracelet, the Proclamation poster number 27, the exclusive Unicorn Blood glass bottle, and the magical tote bag, and the First Year at School tee. And it looks like the feature this month is Daily Tribune, and next month's hint is Goblet of Fire. So that's exciting. Wonder what they'll do with that. I would love a little statue of the Goblet of Fire or something like that. It may end up being like Goblet of Fire tea. I'm not sure. But yeah, I really like the proclamations. You guys know I like those. If I didn't do potions, I may like this. It's not my thing, but I'm going to see if this glows for you guys. And I do like the bag. I think the bag is cool. It's definitely useful. I'm going to be honest, it's not my favorite box they've put out. 2 pieces of jewelry is not something I necessarily need. Like I said, I'm probably going to make the one an ornament, and I'll probably just give this to my niece or something. But yeah, it's not a bad box. It's just not my favorite we've had. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Did you guys like this box? Are there any items that you didn't like or liked? Let me know. And then if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.